Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add tags in Notion. The first thing to do is to launch Notion in your web browser and sign in. Then open the page or database where you want to add tags. So let's first of all do that using a database page. Now, this is a database page that I'm working on. So for me to add a tag, I'm just going to have to hover over to the top of the project or the database and click on this three dots menu. And once I click on that, I head over to properties and I click on properties and I see tags here. But if you do not see a tag here, go ahead and click on new property. And once you click on new property, click on select or click on multi-select. So click on multi-select and then name it as tags. Once you name it as tags, that's just going to be it. Then I'm sorry about that. Then after naming it as tags, you can head over to the three dots menu again and click on properties to be sure that your tags have been added. So tags have been added successfully. Now, how can you add it to your database? Go ahead and click on your database, any of them, and click on new. That's the plus icon, and click on add tags. So once you click on add tags, you can now search for an option or create one. So I have one already created, which is done. So I can use that one, or I can just create hashtag and create X. And that has already been created. So you can just go ahead and add more tags or create more tags, and that will be added. So this is for database pages, but if you want to add a tag to non-database pages, just go ahead and open up any non-database page such as this. Now go ahead and click on the backward slash, here. Click on an empty space and use the backward slash and see if you can find tag. You see that tag is not found. All right, so tag is not found. So Notion may not have a direct tags block outside of databases, so you may need to use a to-do list or a text block for tagging. So instead of this, you can use to-do list, and once you click on to-do list, manually type tags in a text block, or you can use inline text with hashtag style like hashtag project X. Anyone is just cool. So in a database, you can use filter or sort options to organize items based on tags, and you can use the group feature to also view items grouped by tags for better organization. Tags in databases, all right, a few things for you to note. Using select or multi-select properties in databases offers a structured way to manage and filter tags. Then for non-database pages, manually managing tags is less structured and relies on text conventions. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.